Today is Nicholas's 7th birthday. He had a baseball game today. And Nicholas, what are you going to do now?
Open Susie's present.
Yeah, let's see what Auntie Susie and Uncle Neil sent you.
Oh, nice.
Oh, a bag of air. Cool.
Mommy, Mom. Happy birthday, big guy. Love our Auntie Susie. Look, I did it.
Good stuff. Stop making mush.
Wow, Auntie Susie really wrapped that tight.
Yep.
Here, open this part first.
No.
I wonder why she wanted to make it so hard for you to open.
Yay!
What is
The
that?
first thing I looked at is
Lego. Do you like Lego?
Let's see which one is good.
On the other side. Julia.
Mommy, look! I cooked it.
What is it?
Let us see. Wow.
Are those tractors?
Oh, Nikita, you're gonna
Not
have,
now, not
you're
now.
gonna do a lot of work in here.
And there's another one. I want to put another one.
Not now.
Wow. There's even gold.
What?
Daddy, can I put one more?
What is it to see? On it?
Julia, gosh.
I want one.
Alright, what does it say?
Can you read it? Knickerdoodles?
Knickerdoodles. Happy day, Uncle Neil.
Yay! Let's see what it says. Let's see what it is. Rip that off there.
Yeah.
Boy, Uncle Neil can wrap things tight also.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's from Amazon.
Julia, please don't do that, okay?
What is that?
A tractor.
Let me see it.
Awesome! That can go with the other
To
one.
work with this one. This is gonna be a big working site. Awesome.
And a third one.
Enjoy your gift, Uncle Neil and Aunt Susie.
All right.
Wow, 3 presents
Yeah.
Wow.
from the same person.
Same peak.
A helicopter.
Awesome.
Oh, buenísimo.
Awesome.
Like it?
Yep, and now who's gonna get the presents from Grandma?
All right, say bye, Auntie Susie, bye, Uncle Neil.
Bye, Auntie Susie. Bye, Uncle Neil. Can I
Say
cut
thank
that
you.
one? Thank you.
Uh-huh.